It is great to have the opportunity to interview you today, Archie. In the very beginning, could you please tell us more about yourself?
Sure, great to be here. I'm Archie Irtizaali. I'm head of commercial for the firm Zedra. We are a global fund administrator who are based in 20 countries with 1,000 employees. And our fund offices are in Singapore, the US, Guernsey, Luxembourg, and I'm here today with my colleagues from Jersey and from the Cayman Islands.
So what has brought you to our investment conference today?
So the Beryl Elite Conference has been on our radar for a couple of years now. We've seen it as a really good conference, which has got great content. And in a world where innovation and technology is really prevalent in the alternative investment space, we wanted to be here to be able to understand a bit more about what's happening in the market and share more about what's happening with Zedra alongside my colleagues.
Okay, so you just told me about Jersey. I'm a little bit confused. Is that New Jersey? Could you please tell us more about it?
You're not the first person to say that. No, Jersey is actually a small island that's about 11 miles off the coast of France. We're an international finance center. And from there, we have many positives. Many people mix us up with New Jersey, but actually we're an island which has political stability. We're quite an innovative island insofar as our government, regulator, and industry all work together to try and really promote Jersey and shed it in a good light for innovation. So yeah, it's not New Jersey, it's Jersey.
As a global service provider, what is the theme you are observing?
So for us, we specialize actually in the area of emerging manager to mid-market managers. So that would be servicing them, and mid-market for us is 50 to 500 million. Look, it's been a challenging world in terms of the macro environment. There's been a lot going on this year in terms of elections. We've got a big one around the corner here in the US. And the impact that that's had on the funds market has been that it's been quite difficult for fundraising, we've seen for our clients. And so whilst it's been a tough year, there have been green shoots that we're seeing. For Jersey, there's the Jersey Private Fund, which is a unique product that Jersey offers, which is a light touch regulation entry into the fund space. And we've seen over 700 of those since its inception in 2017. And we're starting to see more of those come back into fruition. And from the Cayman perspective, I know there's been somewhere in the region of 1,700 new private funds that have been launched this year. So it's been a tough year, and overlaying that is the need for service providers like ourselves to match and marry the core theme of service, that being an extension of our clients in terms of preempting their needs, but also overlaying that with technology and artificial intelligence, which has been a key theme of the conference today.
Okay, thank you so much for your sharing. So one more last question. Looking ahead to 2025, what do you think is the major trend in the market?
I think the major trend that we're going to see is the marrying of technology with the traditional service providing that we've seen in our industry. For us as a service provider, that means almost us being a fintech company, but without losing the very essence of what service provision is, which is being an extension of our clients. We're looking at the key market trends and how they evolve in our industry. For example, in Jersey, there is the push towards the tokenization of real assets that has been introduced to try and make the island a more attractive place for fund managers to come. And in Cayman, we've seen the introduction of the Virtual Asset Service Provider Act as of May this year, which just shows that there's a trend moving towards virtual assets alongside the traditional assets. And for us as a service provider, it's trying to maintain that balance between offering the service that our clients demand, but also making sure that we are innovating as the world moves. And something that Zedra, with the size and scale, with the global scale and size that we have, is in a unique and a great position to be able to take advantage of.